Hi guys, it's RC Gaming Guy here, and I'm doing a flight on my Navigator, my Rover Navigator. I just put in a review, so now I'm doing the flight. So here we go. Flies pretty easily. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this has lights, and it's has autopilot on it. It doesn't go that fast though. Pretty hard to fly it though. I need to trim it out. Yeah. So wait a second, I'm gonna trim it. Okay. And then there's fast and slow mode. Now it's in the fast mode. Pretty fun to fly. Just concentrating on flying. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Don't like the lights. I'm gonna try to land it, and then I'll be done with the video. I don't think I can land it. Too hard. There's no way I can land it. Look at it. So that's the flight on it. Please watch the review. I messed up the video a little bit because I was gonna have two videos, but it didn't work. Okay, thank you. Bye.